Morning, everyone. We're in the BMW. We got our coffees. I'm about to head out to try to find an AutoZone or somewhere I can get a little bit of double-sided tape. I gotta do a quick band-aid on the front lip before we head out to MPact. Started drizzling already. Hopefully it stops, and I could take a little cloudiness over the rain, obviously, but if we get clouds and not sun, like full out sun like we did yesterday, and the temperature stays around 80, that'll be awesome. You know So we're in the car. We're gonna head out. Still pretty tired. Yesterday was pretty rough at well, not rough, but like eventful at BMW Invasion. So a lot of cars here so far. Looks like we're in the middle of the action though. A purple lot. So far I see Liquid Molly, Dining is here, Griot's Garage. There's the dealership that sponsored the event. BMW CCA is here, so we're probably gonna sign up for that. Akapovich is here. BBS is here. A lot of vendors. A lot of cars, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning, and I would say there's it's a lot. Like 500 cars in this lot so far.
Yeah. The weather got better too.
Yeah, it stopped raining. So What's up, guys? Just up here on the stands, just watching the races. Been a pretty nice day. It's been cloudy all day, nice and cool. But we're just enjoying the weather, enjoying the cars, all the BMWs, everything that's happening. You know, we entered a couple sweepstakes that we're kind of sticking around for. But I think we'll probably head out in a few, maybe half hour or so. So we have about an hour and a half drive back to the house. Hey guys, so that wraps it up for MPact 2021. We met so many people there, so many cars, M3s, M4s, 5s, 6s, non-M3s, all the BMWs you can imagine were there. I mean, beautiful cars left and right. I mean, it was a BMW Heaven, M-Land. The races were fun, and that, not just BMW cars, you know, there was even a Tesla there, but you know, the weather cooperated. It wasn't hot. There weren't actually that many people. Like, there were some people, like the lines were long to get food, but they moved relatively quick. And then, you know, we just grabbed lunch, we sat on the stands and we watched the races, and just relaxed. We entered a couple sweepstakes or giveaways, didn't win any. However, I did pick up my Gates Innovations key fob, which looks awesome. They already contacted me. They gave me their address. I have to give them or send them my key fob. They're gonna program the new one and then send it back. Right now it's like 3:30. We have about an hour and a half ride to get home. I'm tired, the wife is tired, we missed the kids, so we're gonna head home now and try to relax. No racing. So that'll wrap this video. This is the MPact 2021 video. Picked up a lot of motivation in this event. I mean, saw lots of BMW, saw lots of E90 335s. So my car is black. I added some exterior modifications to it, but you know what? I may change it up. It's not just about buying M3s. I mean, sure, I want one, and it's definitely in the future. Also an X5, baby, no worries. But you know, let's just have fun with this car. I have parts in the garage. You know, we didn't install the intercooler yet. We didn't install any performance pieces yet. I still have to get inspected in New Jersey. So let's do that first, and then do all full bolt-ons. Let's start there. Let's get a tune, you know, and then we'll work on some more exterior stuff. So it's all coming. A lot of content coming your way. So stay tuned, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.